How to fix YouTube stuttering or buffering. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as a slow or unstable connection is the most common cause of buffering. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if that does not help too, then open App Store and then tap on the search bar and search for YouTube, and make sure that the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the YouTube app. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and tap on the YouTube application and then tap on offload app, and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and close background apps, as too many apps running simultaneously can reduce performance. So close unnecessary apps and free up memory, and then try testing YouTube again. And if the issue continues, then make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services. Also, make sure that your device is updated. So open settings again and then tap on general and then on software update. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your device, as sometimes updates often contain performance and networking fixes. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it simply could be that the YouTube server is down. So you can check for YouTube server status, and if it is down, then you can go ahead and simply wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube stuttering or buffering. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.